Okay, so this is this procedure of how to do the rubber templates for the veneers. You can see that fits onto the 3D model like that. And we want to try and do a more accurate impression of the model. So we're going to use this soft body, hydro, and then a little tissue. So what you do, no, chip tissue. You just squirt out a little bit of that, and then over the areas you hold it into the grooves like that, just very quickly through the, oh Corinne, you got to mix that other stuff there. No, I missed that. Okay, and then just film there. She's putting the catalyst into that putty at the same time. And just so we've got all of this covered. These are the areas that we're going to work on. It's the 1-3 to the 2-3. So this is just to get rid of the air bubbles. There's an air bubble, so you just work it out. Right, and then Corinne's basically mixing that so that it's all the blue is out. So it's completely so then you roll it up into a sausage like that. Just the correct distance of where your teeth are going to be, and just keep any lines and stuff away from it. So you put it like that, and you just squash it down, and then gently fold it into position like that, so that it's, and then I just like to round it off like that so that it pushes in. Don't put too much pressure on it, but just gentle sort of firm-ish pressure. You see? Okay, and we'll just leave it like that to set. Just leave it for a long time so that it sets completely, at least, say, 20 minutes or so, 10-20 minutes. Okay, good, cool.